A sweet and spicy surprise. Y'all ready for a real treat? We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. We're about to shake things up in the kitchen. Get ready to experience a fusion of flavors like never before. Forget plain old buffalo wings. We're diving into a flavor combination that'll have you saying, well, ain't that something? This is a game changer. Get ready for Spicy PB&J Wings, a dish that's as fun to say as it is to eat. Imagine the perfect balance of sweet and spicy in every bite. This ain't your grandma's PB&J, unless your grandma's got a real adventurous palate. It's a modern twist on a classic favorite. We're talking crispy, juicy chicken wings tossed in a sauce that's both sweet and spicy. The perfect harmony of flavors that will make your taste buds dance. It's a flavor explosion that'll have you licking your fingers and coming back for more. Share it with friends and watch the smiles spread. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. It's time to create some unforgettable culinary memories together. Gathering your flavor arsenal. Before we get started, let's gather our ingredients. This is the foundation of our culinary adventure. Don't worry, nothing too fancy here, just good old-fashioned pantry staples. These are the unsung heroes of any great dish. Chicken wings. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken wings, split into flats and drumettes. This will be the star of our dish. Peanut butter, creamy or chunky, it's your call. We're looking at about half a cup. This will add a rich, nutty flavor. Jelly grape jelly is the classic choice, but feel free to experiment with strawberry or even raspberry. A half cup should do the trick. This will bring a sweet and tangy twist. Soy sauce. For that savory depth, we'll need a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. It adds a wonderful umami flavor. Sriracha. Time to turn up the heat. Add a couple of tablespoons of sriracha, or more if you like it fiery. This will give our dish a spicy kick. Garlic powder. A teaspoon of garlic powder adds a nice warm flavor. It's a simple way to elevate the taste. Salt and pepper. Because every good dish needs a pinch of salt and pepper, these basic seasonings are essential for balance. See? Nothing too crazy, just simple ingredients ready to be transformed into something mighty tasty. With these basics, we're all set to create a delicious masterpiece. Winging it from raw to ready. Today, we're transforming these raw chicken wings into a delicious, mouth-watering dish that will have everyone coming back for more. Now let's get these wings cooking. First, make sure your chicken wings are clean and patted dry. This helps the seasoning stick better. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature will ensure that the wings get nice and crispy. While the oven's heating up, line a baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup. Trust me, this step will save you a lot of scrubbing later. Make the sauce. In a saucepan, combine the peanut butter. This will be the base of our unique and flavorful sauce. Add in the jelly, soy sauce, sriracha, and garlic powder. Each ingredient brings its own special touch to the sauce. Heat over medium heat, stirring until everything's nice and melted together. Keep stirring to make sure the flavors blend perfectly. Let it simmer for a few minutes to thicken up. This will make the sauce stick to the wings better. Getting saucy. Toss the chicken wings in the sauce, making sure each piece is coated evenly. You want every bite to be full of flavor. Spread the wings out on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure they are in a single layer for even cooking. Bake them till they're golden brown. Pop those wings in the oven and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This ensures they cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture. You want them cooked through and crispy on the outside. The perfect wing should have a crunchy exterior and a juicy interior. And there you have it, easy peasy, right? These spicy PBJ wings are sure to be a hit at your next gathering. Enjoy! The quest for crispy perfection. Now I know what you're thinking. Crispy wings are the best kind of wings. And you're right. Here's a little secret to taking your wings from good to great. The double bake technique. After tossing the wings in the sauce, bake them on a wire rack placed over the baking sheet. This allows the heat to circulate around the wings, resulting in a crispier texture. Trust me, this extra step is worth it. Serving up a symphony of flavors. These spicy PB&J wings are delicious all on their own. But why stop there? Let's talk about some sides and dips that'll take this meal to the next level. Cool and creamy ranch. The cool, tangy flavor of ranch dressing pairs perfectly with the sweet and spicy wings. Sweet potato fries. A side of crispy sweet potato fries adds a touch of sweetness and a satisfying crunch. Refreshing slaw. A light and refreshing coleslaw, maybe with a bit of ginger or sesame oil, cuts through the richness of the wings. Get creative. The possibilities are endless. A flavor adventure worth taking. Well, there you have it, folks. Spicy PB&J Wings. A dish that's as unexpected as it is delicious. It's the perfect blend of sweet, spicy, and savory, and it's guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. So next time you're looking for a fun and flavorful twist on a classic, give these wings a try. You might just discover your new favorite way to enjoy peanut butter and jelly. Happy cooking!